Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding apps from your iOS device. This is a cool trick to temporarily hide some apps from your phone that you don't want people to see. You can unhide the apps again at any time once you've done this. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. For this tutorial, I'm going to hide these two social media apps, Messenger and WhatsApp. Start by opening the Settings app. Inside Settings, open Screen Time. Now select Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, tap Content Restrictions. In the Content Restrictions Settings page, open Apps. The default setting is to allow all apps. If you want to hide all apps, you can choose Don't Allow Apps. This will effectively hide all of your downloaded apps from view on your dashboard. To hide social media apps, you can simply only allow apps for 9+, since for most social media you have to be older to use them. Now I have selected to only allow apps for 9+. If I go back to my iPhone homepage, you can see that the Messenger and WhatsApp have disappeared. They are still installed and logged into your accounts, but they are hidden and unable to access them until we go back into the settings and allow all apps again. So by going back to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Content Restrictions, and then Apps, we can allow all apps again. This will make the previously hidden apps appear once more. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.